Hi everyone, this is Colin from West Cork Beard Company, and today I'm going to give you my honest review of these 3 beard oils. So today I'm reviewing 3 beard oils that are easily available in Ireland. So we're going to go for a cheap oil, a medium priced oil and a more expensive oil. As the owner of a beard company, you're probably wondering why not would you be reviewing rival beard oils, but because we're on the How to Grow a Beard journey and we're in week 3, there are other beard oils out there. Not everyone's able to spend €14 on a beard oil, so I want to kind of show you the options that are available and just see if they're any good. I'm going to be reviewing them on their packaging, on their scent and on their feel. I'm going to give you my thoughts. I've never used these products before. I'll leave you into a secret. I've only ever used one other product on my beard. That was 5 years ago. I didn't like it, so that's when I made the West Cork Beard Company range for myself. So these are all going to be very, very new to me. I'm going to put them on my beard. I'm going to tell you how they feel and also kind of review the ingredients as well. So first up is the Cien Men's Care Club. It's a kind of 2-in-1. It says a nourishing oil for the beard and the face. What it says is it makes the beard noticeably softer and smoother, tames and conditions the beard without greasiness, and soothes your skin and relieves any irritation. And this scent is walnut and essential cedarwood oil. This guy was from Lidl. It was only €2. So an absolutely fantastic price if you're on a budget, but let's see if it works. The directions they give you are also quite okay. It says use daily in the morning, depending on the beard length. Pump 1 to 2 pumps of oil into the palm of your hand, and basically the directions are the same as most others. Put it into the skin and leave it in there. So let's open it up. It says pump, so I presume it's a little bit different than the dropper bottles that I have. So let's get it out there, and yes, you can see it. It's a nice little square plastic bottle, a little pump here as well. And yeah, first impressions are it doesn't look too bad. I don't really like the plastic myself, but it's not too bad. It's kind of neat looking. So let's have a go of it. So I presume you just pump straight away. So I'll give it a bit of a shake up, stir around those ingredients. Like I said, I've never used this. My beard is washed. There's no product in it at the moment, so I'm going to get the full benefit of what this is and get the scent as well. So let's go. Oh no, so I need to turn it. Yeah, here we go now. So 2 pumps. I'm going to put 2 pumps. So I'm trying to get it out. Okay, so first impressions are it's a very, very white liquid. Immediately I'm looking at that going, I'm not sure if the ingredients are all that great. It is €2, and usually kind of more darker oils are a little bit higher quality. So also it's quite watery. If I run it around my hand like that, it's kind of running all over the palms of my hand, so the thickness isn't there. So that's not a great sign either. Looking at the ingredients, there is a little bit of perfume in there, and also a lot of ingredients that I don't exactly know what they are. Sound a little bit chemically, so I'm not excited about putting this on my face, but let's go for it. So the usual, let's get a scent. Okay, so the scent is very much like a shower gel scent, that kind of synthetic smell of just kind of a generic shower gel or aftershave type thing. Sweet, it's quite sweet. So again, look, if you can see it, it's running down the palm of my hand, so it's very, very watery. So let's get that back on there and let's put it in. So it says it's not greasy, but it does feel quite greasy on my hands. So if you can see the shine on that. So it's almost gone. I'm going to give myself 1 or 2 more pumps. There you go. Again, you have to be careful to run off the palm of your hand. So as I said, I washed my beard. My beard is in need of some moisture, and this doesn't feel great. It says it's not greasy like it says in the box, but that's what I'm feeling. So look at the palm of my hand. Look at the shine on that. And it's not really absorbing even into the skin on the palm of my hand. Around the moustache, rub the palms together. I'm just doing that because I'm kind of feeling a little bit of stickiness as well, which isn't a great sign. Okay, so again, I'm trying to rub the oil into my hands. It's not really absorbing very, very well. A high quality oil should kind of absorb pretty fast. That's still very, very watery and greasy feeling on my hands. The scent is nice, but like it's very generic. Like I said, it's like a shower gel scent. It's subtle, which I like. It's not very overpowering. I can't see my beard, but I can imagine it looks quite shiny. But again, the feel isn't fantastic. The way I think about this now is it's not going to give me a lot of moisture in my beard. I feel like, yes, it has a good scent, but it's not going to give me what I want. So that is the €2 Beard Club Men's Care Club, €2 beard and face. It says to put it on your face as well, but there's no way I'm going to put all that oil on my face, because you're just going to end up with a shiny face. So that's it. Again, pump bottle. It's kind of, you know, nice enough looking. It's in a plastic bottle, which I'm not mad about. It is quite nice and neat. Scent is okay. So that's the first one done. First review on packaging, scent and feel. Not excited about that one. Really didn't kind of give me what I want with regards moisture, and much too greasy. I'm going to quickly run into the shower now, wash my beard, and come back for the second one. So the beard is washed, and we're going on to beard oil number 2. I forgot to mention that beard oil number 1 was from Germany. Beard oil number 2 is called Bulldog, and it's from the UK. And looking at the packaging on Bulldog, it's nice and neat. It has the white colour and the brown colour, pretty simple. And looking at the ingredients as well, then it has some very good ingredients, I must say. More natural definitely than the last beard oil. It has some sunflower oil, some sweet almond oil, jojoba oil and coconut as well, and a few essential oils. So that's a good sign. So I'm looking forward to trying this one. Bulldog have a good reputation, I think, and so let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so we'll pop this out. So the top of it is a little bit different to the last one. This is a dropper top, where the last one had a bit of a pump top. So it's nice and simple. Again, just a label on a small bottle. I'm looking forward to trying it. So we'll open it up. Again, dropper top, you have to be a little bit patient. They'll just come out at their own time. Here we go. Again, the oil is a little bit clear, just like the last one. Like I said, I do like my oil to be a little bit darker. I feel the quality might be a little bit better if it is a little bit darker, but I may be wrong. So let's see what the feel is like. So feel straight away is better than the last oil. It's thicker. It definitely is thicker. It isn't as watery, as you can see. It's not running around the palm of my hand as much as the last one. Scent-wise is fresh. Fresh, yeah. Let's have a go at putting it in. I'm just trying to think of what it's almost like, slightly lemony. I'm not sure if they say what kind of fragrance it is. It just says original beard oil, aloe, camelina and green tea. So let's put that in. Definitely the feeling is better, for sure. We want it to write in and absorb. The ingredients are decent, so it should do a good job. I just need a little bit more of that. Okay, get it under the chin. Scent-wise, not a huge fan. It's kind of a little bit citrusy. I'm not a huge fan of the citrus scents myself. That must be from possibly the camelina, maybe. Okay, rub the hands together and try to get all you can. Yeah, getting a little bit of the green tea. The scent is growing on me, for sure. Okay, so that has absorbed. Let me see as I rub it around my hands. Isn't absorbing fully, but definitely more going to the skin a little bit more than the last oil. So scent is fresh. Scent is good. The thickness was good. I like that. It's presented quite well in the small bottle. So overall, that's not a bad oil. So again, I would prefer if it was a little bit less greasy. Maybe it's the fact that I am putting quite a lot on my hands as well, but like what I do is I put it on my beard, but also put it on my head then as well. If you are a little bit bald, put on your head, put on your arms, and kind of use every drop that you can. So that's beard oil number 2. I'm going to quickly run in now and wash my face, and we'll move on to beard oil number 3. So the beard is washed and ready to go, and I just want to tell you the price of Bulldog's beard oil. The second beard oil was $8.95. We're on to L'Oreal's BarberClub beard oil. This one is $13.50, so this price wise is more on par with my oils, which sell at €14. So let's see what it's like. Packaging, it's a kind of orange color, very orange on top, kind of a brownie on the bottom. It has the kind of wooden here. It's a cedarwood essential oil, and I've had a look at the ingredients, and the ingredients do have cedarwood essential oil in it, which is good. But unfortunately, the bad part of the ingredients on this one is that both alcohol and perfume are in the top 4 or 5 ingredients in a list of probably 12, 13, 14 ingredients in total. So having alcohol can actually dry out your beard more than give it moisture, so that's not a good thing. Not a fan of the fragrance or perfume either. Some of those can be synthetic, which isn't very good for your skin as well. So other than that, you can see from the side of the bottle that it's going to be another pump bottle, just like beard oil number 1. So let's open it up and see how it looks and see how it feels. So it's a bigger size, but again, it's a 30ml bottle. There's a lot of space in the box. So here it is. It comes out a neat little bottle. Again, not a lot of writing on it. Just it's quite simple. Most of the writing is on the box. It says it tames and conditions beard, soothes discomfort, and nourishes the skin. 30 mils. So let's open it up again. I suppose I have to twist it. Not used to the pump bottle. So let's pump it out. Again, just like beard oil number 1. Beard oil number 1, like I said, is €2. This guy is $13.50, and it has the same kind of liquidy feel as beard oil number 1, and this one is a lot more expensive. So again, very clear looking. Like I said, not a huge fan of that. Very watery as well. Not a fan so far. Let's have a smell. Again, the smell reminds me of beard oil number 1 from Cien, from Lidl. It has that kind of generic kind of shower gel smell again, but it is quite pleasant. So let's have a look at the feel. Look again, here we can see it. Unlike beard oil number 2, which is Bulldog, that actually stayed in my hand. This again is trying to run off, which shows how watery it is. Let's have a feel. Again, super greasy, and for a price point of $13.50, you'd want the ingredients to be a little bit better, but you'd also want the feel to be a little bit better. So again, not super impressed. I'm getting the same feel in the beard as beard oil number 1, a little bit more, just to get a good feel for it. Under the chin. And again, I'm trying to. The scent is decent. The scent is good, but you know, when you're using synthetic scents and perfumes, you can make it as smell as good as you want, because you literally can get any scent you want. Right, I'm going to try to rub it into my hands. Again, it's slippy. It's sliding. It's not rubbing in very well at all. Possibly a little bit more absorption than beard oil number 1. But yeah, again, it has that kind of watery, slippery feel, which you don't get from the better quality oils. So that's it. That is the BarberClub from L'Oreal. Not hugely impressed, I must say, especially for the price of it. I feel like it should be a little bit better, especially when this one is comparing to the €2 beard oil. There's not much difference in my opinion. So that's the BarberClub from L'Oreal. I'm not sure on that one. Okay, so let's rate them. So we had number 1 was from Lidl. It was from Germany. It was €2. It was greasy, watery. I'm gonna put that in my third place. So beard oil number 1, the men's club. Going to give that 3rd place. Beard oil number 2, my 2nd place goes to L'Oreal. This one again, it was just a little bit less greasy than beard oil number 1. It didn't have the nice kind of thick liquidy feel. It just was too watery for me. Kind of a synthetic fragrance, synthetic smell as well, which I don't really like. So I'll give that my second place, and my first place on this 3 oil beard review goes to Bulldog. The ingredients were much better. The feel was better. I would like it to be a little bit darker oil wise. It was a bit clear for my liking, but like I said, the ingredients were good, and it looked the best as well. It came in a nice neat little bottle. So that's my beard oil review of 3 beard oils you can get readily available in Ireland. They're not Irish. One is from Germany, one is from the UK, and L'Oreal, I presume, is from the UK as well. It says London here. So not Irish, but okay. You know, when you are starting out your beard journey, you know, you're going to see these products in chemists, and I wanted to give you an idea of what they're like feel wise, scent wise, before you go out and pay money for them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you like the videos, and I'll see you in the next one.